Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem. So first of all, we need to go to search bar and type here control panel and then click here to open it. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. So select view by you can select large icons and then just click on sound. Once we are here, we need to just close the background window. Now we will focus on this window. Right click on the speakers and try to disable it, and again try to enable it. Once done, select it, go to its properties. Make sure we need to set the levels up to the 100%, and if this unchecked, then click on it and enable it. Once we are here, we need to go to the enhancements tab and check this option, the disable all enhancements. Make sure you have to check this one, then click on apply and then OK. Once done, we need to restart the system and the problem will be fixed. You can also check out our pin command or in the description link to fix this issue effectively and quickly. That will be a better option to fix this issue. That's it guys. Like the video and please do subscribe the channel.